Welcome to This Explainer. Let's take you from clueless to totally confident in katakana in just 1 hour. See this word, terebi? Can you guess the English translation? Yep, it's literally just television. This is exactly what gairaigo means, foreign loanwords the Japanese language borrows and writes entirely in katakana. Notice those sharp, angular lines? That visual style completely sets it apart from the curvy, native hiragana.
And the best part? No thousands of complex symbols to memorize. You only need to learn 46 core characters.
It's basically a giant puzzle built on just 5 consistent vowel sounds: e, u, and o.
Combine those with consonants, and boom! You're suddenly reading real Japanese loanwords like ice cream and camera.
But here's a real game changer. This tiny tsu character. It means you pause and double the next consonant. Watch out, because forgetting that tiny mark totally changes the word's rhythm and meaning. Beto versus beto.
Also see this long dash? That's a long vowel mark, and it is completely unique to katakana.
It literally tells you to stretch out the vowel, turning a short, clipped sound into the word cake. For you anime fans, this is essential. Non-Japanese character names like Naruto or Eren, always in katakana.
Even fantasy terms like dragon get broken down and directly transliterated right into readable katakana syllables.
So if you visit Japan, your own non-Japanese name is definitely going to be written using these exact characters. To master this fast, avoid rookie mistakes, like confusing similar-looking characters or skipping those crucial long vowel dashes.
Try using visual mnemonics to help it stick, like he looks like a roof and 2 is a nail.
Ready to practice? Grab the free workbook linked below to master tracing, writing, and reading real labels.
So let's put your new knowledge to the test. How do you write Tokyo? Drop it below.